This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter element renewal. Slide the access cover to the left to remove it. On some models, there may be a screw securing the cover in place. Slide the pollen filter element downwards from the heater unit to remove it. Fit the new element, observing the airflow direction marked on the filter. Then refit the access cover, making sure that the locating lugs are fitted correctly in the housing. If any of the lugs have been broken off, fit a screw into the cover to make sure it is secure.